Umengameli weqembu iPodemos uAlbino Fokhila uthi babekhona ngesikhathi kubalwa amavoti nokwenza ukuthi bengahambisani nemiphumela ephinde yabeka phambili iqembu elibusayo iFrelimo.
We are not happy with the result that was announced because the system in Mozambique, electoral system, is like this, that in the day that the election are going to take place, we as political party, all those who are competing the process have the right to sit there to supervise what's going on, and at the end of the day, they are giving a sheet of results on that spot. And on the base of this, we did also a parallel counting, and we know what we gain and what we lose.
Uthi Abaholi Bamaqembu Aphikisayo eMozambique basekubhaceni njengoba kusaqhubeka izinqushunqushu kulelizwe, kanti uthi njengoba ekhuluma nje naye Besabela yakhe impilo kodwa akayindawo.
And we have other also who now are living out of their homes because at night, for instance, people are going are running after them, want to kill them, so they are unsafe. That's why are not living in their own homes. Okay. Even myself, I shouldn't be here.
Njengoba izakhamuzi zakulelizwe zibhikisha, uFokhila uthi yibona njengamaqembu aphikisayo abagqugquzelayo lokhu kodwa amaphoyisa yiwona abulala abantu nokugcina sekwenza kubeduke udlame.
Since it is our right to protest because it's constitutional, the response of the police that are attacking our people, are killing our people, and in response to this, there is a sort of violence.
uFokhila uthi abazithembi izinkantolo zakulelizwe kanye nenhlangano ebengamele ukhetho ngakho-ke bathembele izakhamuzini ukuba ziqhubeke zibhikishe kuze kubukezwe imiphumela.